22LR guy, doing some shit with these Ozark Trail tumblers. This is the first tumbler that we fucked up. You guys seen the video. Now we're gonna do the second one, but we're gonna see how well these shatterproof lids are. We're gonna put that through here. Oh yeah, these little baby ass firecrackers too. Look at them fuckers. Just tiny. Just little. Stick that on there because I don't give a fuck. Here, come hold this real quick. Just hold it right there. And then we're going to give it a little bit of aluminum tape because aluminum tape makes everything better. Whoops, sorry. For some reason I thought you were trying to hand it to me.
No, you're good. I was just holding it. I was trying to get a good piece.
That like that. I'll let my little sister take over. He said, fuck you. I'm backing the fuck up. Oh shit. That is safe to say that fucking lid was not shatterproof. Holy fuck. Do you see any lid anywhere? Looking for the lid right now. Anyways, we'll look at this. Oh, she's hot. Ouch. Oh, it finally broke it, bro. Look at it, it broke it on the bottom. But this is fucking keeping it in. If you can see in there, there's a crack. But that's about it. It bulged the fuck out of it. Wash it and use it. Alright, well, the lid is MIA, so